In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old events in Google Calendar. Google Calendar doesn't include a true archive feature for finished events, so the best approach is to clearly tag events you're done with. That way, they stay on your calendar for reference, but they're easy to filter, search, and mentally set aside. Here's how to do it quickly and consistently. First, open Google Calendar and locate an event that has already happened, and you want to keep only for historical reference. Click the event to open its details. This brings up the small preview card where you can see the title, time, and any guests or notes. Next, click the edit option to open the full event editor. On desktop, that's the pencil icon. The editor lets you safely change the title and other fields without altering the original content of the event. In the title field, add the tag archived. I recommend appending it to the end of the existing event name so you preserve the original title. For example, if the event was called Team Sync, change it to Team Sync Op Archived. The hyphen makes the tag easy to spot and easy to search, and using the exact same tag every time keeps things consistent. This update does not remove the event or change its date. It simply labels the event as complete and filed away. Now click Save. Your changes are applied and the event remains in your calendar with the archived tag visible in the title. This makes it simple to find these events later by typing archived in the search bar or to visually scan for them when scrolling through past weeks and months. A few helpful notes as you use this method. You're not deleting or hiding anything. You're organizing. That's great for record keeping, expense reports, or future audits where you may need to confirm when something took place. If the event is part of a recurring series, be mindful about whether you edit just this occurrence or the entire series. For finished instances, editing only that single past occurrence is usually best. Also, for shared events, changing the title could potentially notify guests depending on your settings. If you're concerned about notifications, consider updating titles only for events you own or checking your notification preferences first. That's it. Click the event, edit it, add archived to the title, and save. Repeat this for any past events you want to keep but mentally file away. It's a simple, reliable system that works everywhere Google Calendar does.